In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bank rules in QuickBooks Online. This is a straightforward process that can save you a lot of time in managing your finances by automating repetitive transactions. Let's dive right into it and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your QuickBooks account. So go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Once you're on the login page, choose the option for QuickBooks Online from the list of available services. This selection is crucial to ensure you're accessing the correct platform that caters to your needs. Now, when you're prompted, enter your credentials, carefully type in your username and password to ensure you don't encounter any login issues. Once that's done, go ahead and click Continue to proceed. This will bring you to the main dashboard of your QuickBooks account. From here, navigate over to the Transactions tab. This is your central hub for managing all sorts of financial information in QuickBooks, so it's important to get comfortable with navigating these sections. Click on it, and then select Bank Transactions from the drop-down menu or side options, depending on your interface design. This section is specifically for handling your linked bank accounts and related transactions. Now find and select the transaction to which you'd like to apply the bank rule. Clicking on your transaction will typically bring up more options and details relevant to that transaction. This is where you begin tailoring the rules to your specific needs. Once you've clicked on your transaction, look for an option that says Create a Rule. Selecting this will open up a new panel or window where you can configure the specifics of your bank rule. Here, you'll need to add a name for your rule. Make it something clear and descriptive so you can easily identify it in the future. A good rule name should hint at the transaction type or its purpose. Next, proceed to add the parameters of your rule. This could include aspects like setting criteria based on transaction amount, payee, or account it's associated with. Think carefully here. The more specific your rule, the more efficient and error-free your bookkeeping will be. Finally, once you've configured your rule settings to match your desired criteria, go ahead and click Save. This step finalizes your rule creation, and QuickBooks will automatically apply it to any future transactions meeting the specified conditions. Congratulations! You've just set up a bank rule in QuickBooks Online. By automating this part of the process, you can streamline your accounting, help prevent manual errors, and save yourself time in the long run. I hope this guide has empowered you to take better control of your financial data. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.